Hi everyone and welcome, it's Raymondo Lee here. So as promised, this is just going to be showing you the Shaun the Sheep sculptures at Clumber Park. I've missed one or two, but I've captured most of them, done by some absolutely fantastic artists, and they did all look amazing. I've tried to snip it together the best I could. It was very busy the day of visiting, so I hope you enjoy it. If you want to see the full walk, then also check out the Clumber Park walk and sculptures video, which is separate to this. So thank you, and I hope you enjoy. Shaun Shaun of Plenty.
Actually, I need you to do it. But I needed to do something.
All the details of all the veg on it. Peas, carrots. That's really cool. This one is Felice Navidad. Oh, try and get the... Season's Treatings. Oh, Season's Treatings. Okay. Oh, Season's Tweetings. This one was created by Donna Newman. Yeah, pretty that one. Kelly Moore did this one.
Looking at the top of his glasses, just taking a photo.
So I've just zoomed in, so it's alright.
This is a good scooter spot there. Really good. Oh, this is Shaun the Sheep. Shaun the Sheep's a bit older. Big bee on his face.
What?
Lovely, that one. Who's done this one? Who's made this one then? Kiana? Oh, I can't spoil her name. Her auntie. Artist, vegan chef, and ethical floral designer from Sri Lanka. Well, that's a beautiful guy on it. Beautiful. So that's it. That's this walk done.
Hope you enjoyed it. We enjoyed looking for all the Shaun the Sheeps. They were really cool actually, some of them designs. Please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.